Okay, the plan today is to install these front and rear axle nut covers onto the Dyna Lowrider S. And also I'm going to attempt to remove the reflectors off the rear guard and off the front forks. I don't want to break them off, so I'm just going to heat them up with the hairdryer and run a little bit of fishing wire behind there. But I don't want to break them just in case I sell the bike one day and I might need to put these back on to get a roadworthy certificate. So that's the plan. Should be straightforward. Should be fairly straightforward. Let's get into it. So the rear axle nut cover, obviously these are genuine Harley covers. The rear only came in billet steel. Is it steel or aluminium? Steel, I think. Billet. Whereas the front came in die cast. Gloss black. Okay. Difference in thickness. Genuine Harley. Instructions. Locking screws. Surely it's straightforward. Surely. So I don't know if you can see, but these have got, don't know if the camera can pick that up, but these have got little yellow, there you go, that's a little bit better. Yeah, they've got thread locker on them. Blue thread lock required. And the front, which is die cast. These die cast ones are a lot heavier. A lot heavier. They look a lot thicker as well. And these ones are half the price. Still Harley genuine part, but half the price of the billet version. But the die cast option only comes in the front axle, not the rear axle. This one comes with an Allen key. There you go. The other one did. The other one didn't. Why does it have two screw options? And you can clearly see that one screw's double the size of the other one, double the length. Okay, so I've read the instructions, and that is hole A, that's for a Sportster. That is hole B, that's for all other models. So I think you'd agree that such a simple addition to the wheel makes such a hell of a difference aesthetically. It just looks finished off, it really does. And for the price you pay for these Harleys, you know, this sort of stuff should come out standard. You know, I know there's a spare parts industry and all that sort of garbage, but seriously, they should come out standard with this sort of these sorts of accessories. Now time to try and get these off. Let's see how we go. My wife's trusty hairdryer. She's not home, so I can use it. Got it. Well, that was bloody easy, that was. That was very easy, and it's still in perfect condition, so yeah, I'd be able to reuse it if I wanted to. Okay, I'll do the other side and then I'll just clean that up. This is getting through this a lot easier than I thought it would. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it when a job comes to plan and there's no hiccups. Let's hope I haven't mozzed myself for the rear. Anyway, I'll get a bit of polish and just clean that up. Get a scratch and swirl remover. Whoa! Yeah, that looks so much better. So much better. Really does finish it off nicely. That's come up a treat. That has come up a treat. Yeah, that's heaps better. Now the hard part. Getting the one off the guard, the reflector off the guard. Got a feeling it may not be as easy. We'll see. Now, from here, it looks fine, and it is pretty good, but certain angles of light, which the camera is not going to be able to pick up, I don't think. You can see small rub marks, but I know they're there, so I can see them. Anyone who didn't know it was there, they wouldn't be able to see it. So that's a bit disappointing. Let's see if we can do a better job on this side. Okay, well that one there's not a scratch on it, and I think it's because every time I'd wipe a little bit and then I'd clean the rag, and that one there, I can tell you, there is not a mark on it, unlike the other side. Like I said, the other side's, it's not that bad. I mean, I know it's there, but I don't think anyone else will know. Overall, that has come up. That's come up an absolute treat. An absolute treat. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like the boy, I like the boy. Much better. It looks a lot cleaner. Anyway guys, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, shit happens. Do us a favour, if you reckon you know someone that might like this sort of stuff, please share it with them. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.